So welcome back guys to Fasterbot Gaming Tips and Tricks channel. My channel is on gaming, but I also post some tricks of PC and phones and mobiles very fast. Means I post these things also. So guys, in today's video, I am going to tell you that how you can download any software. You can all know that many softwares are paid for us. Example: After Effects, Premiere Pro, and many more softwares. So many softwares are paid for us, but we don't want to pay for them. We also only we all the world wants to save his money, but they are forced to pay to the companies because they cannot access the applications without paying the money. So in today's video, I am going to tell you that how a website from that you can download many softwares, not all the softwares, but many softwares for free. So let's get into the video. So guys, first you have to open your Google Chrome. You can open any browser, you can use any browser. I am using Google Chrome. So after opening into the Google Chrome, you have to search a website. I will paste in the link in the description, so you can click on that link and you will be directed to the website directly. So follow me very carefully, see the link very carefully. The link is, so follow me. Get into pc.com. So after tapping this, you have to click enter. After you click enter, you can see our website has opened directly. So you can see here are many softwares for free. Then you can see Torn Pusher, Torn Drag, and free download, Torn Push and Torn Rider. What is this? I don't know what is this. This is a kind of a software also. You can see Adobe FrameMaker 2020 free download. Here it is. So let's go back. So if I want to download Adobe Premiere Pro, you can type here any software you want. I want Adobe Premiere Pro, so I have to type here Adobe Premiere Premium. I've written I don't know the spelling of Premiere. I have to only type these letters. So you can see we have typed in Adobe Premiere, not a full spelling, ignore that. So you can see here are many results here. So you can see here is Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018 free download, Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020 free download. So I want to download this Adobe Premiere Pro CC 21 free download. So I have to click on this. Then I will tell you the full process. So you can see this is a pro editing paid app. So you can see this is the real version of Adobe Premiere Pro CC21. You can see this is the real. So you have to scroll down. You can see these are the features of the app. So you have to scroll down. You can see the minimum requirements. Software full name Adobe Premiere Pro CC21. You have to minimum space in your PC or Mac. So about 1.7 GB, and you have 64-bit processor. If you don't have, then you can't run this app in your PC. You can run, but this will run very much not, but lag. And these are the requirements: operating system Windows XP, Vista 7, 8.1, 10. I have Windows 10 Pro. so I can run it easily. You minimum have to RAM of 8 GB. If your PC have 4 GB of RAM, then you can run this, but this will lack a bit much. And you, or if you have 6 GB RAM, then your PC can handle it successfully. I have 8 GB RAM, you can see, and the resolution of 1280x 800 to a PC is recommended resolution. This resolution has been compatible to a PC. If not, then you cannot. And now you can see the password. This is the file download 64-bit x64 version 15.4.0.47. So you can see password with the it will ask you when you will extract this file after downloading. This will be the password 123 simple. So you have to click on this icon. You can see this is get into PC's official website. You can see the download will start shortly. You have to wait for some time, some seconds. You can see our download has started. So I am going to open the downloads. You don't think you are thinking you was thinking that this speed is very low. This is going to only 500, not going to 500 kb also. So for high speed, you have to I recommend you to download this app. This is free download manager. This is absolutely free. So you have to, I will tell you the properties of this app. So you can see this is the app. This is my username. So you can see this. So now we have to go to the downloads. So now I have to copy to the, you have to copy link address, and I'm gonna paste in the free download manager. If you want me to post the free download manager, then you can go, you can comment the comment down. I will read your comment. I will make the video and download free download manager. So you can see so you have to click on the add download, and you can see the link is already pasted here. You have to click on OK. You can see this has detected the app 1.61 GB, disk space 359 GB. So you have to click on download. I was downloading GTA 5 from Ocean of Games, so I have stopped it. So I will pause the video for now, and I will wait for the this file to download. So let's meet in the after this downloading. So guys, you can see that our file is downloaded successfully. So guys, you can see here is our file is downloaded successfully of 1.60 GB. So from here the main steps start. So guys, follow me carefully. So first you have to right click on this file, and you have to click on extract. You can click on extract here, or you can click on the extract too. I'm clicking on this. So after clicking on this will ask you for a password. So you have to remember the password. The password is very easy to remember, 123. So you have to type here 123 and so this will take some time to extract. So I will meet you after the file extract. So guys, you can see that okay. So guys, you can see our file is extracted successfully. So after extracting, I'm doing something. So I'm going to name it Adobe Premiere, Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've done this, and now I'm going to set it. And now you have to open this folder, and you have to click on setup.
केला खा ले हैं देव
वीडियो बना रहा हूँ,
हैं
वीडियो बना रहा हूँ
किसका
वो गेमिंग का. So now you have to click on setup.exe. This will ask you to yes.
अंग्रेजी बोलता
Huh?
मेरी अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं तो ये जादू को चाहिए किलो बड़ी गुड़िया
And you have to. And now you have to click on this English North America. Why this is English? Default. Now you can see. Now we are on the Adobe Premiere Pro install. You have to click on continue. You have to click on one more. You have to click on this. You can see here is at the upside our Adobe Premiere Pro is installing 18% installed. So why edge is open. So guys, I will meet you after it was installed. So guys, now you can see that our Adobe Premiere Pro installer means our Adobe Premiere Pro is installed successfully. So you have to click on close. So you can see our, what is this? Why am extracting this again? This is extracted. This is my game scene. The personal things. So you have to now your Adobe Premiere Pro is now successfully installed. What is this? Installed my own. So now you have to type here. I want this is opened. So what now you have to type here in your start Adobe. You can see this is my Adobe After Effects 2021. So this is I have downloaded by paying, but this is absolutely Premiere Pro is absolutely free. So you have to click it on open. This will take a few moments to open your Adobe Premiere Pro. You can see here's our Adobe Premiere Pro. It will take some time to open. So you can see our Adobe Premiere Pro is opening. This will take this can take time up to 3 to 4 minutes to start, and then you can take this to, and then you can enjoy. You can see here is our PR means Adobe Premiere Pro. What is this written? After downloading these apps, this will show you this thing. So when this will open, I will meet you there. So guys, you can see our Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 is successfully downloaded. So you have to start. So you start this. You have to click on new project, and then this is the settings. So you have to click. Suppose I am typing here into this project one. So after clicking on this will take some time to open, and then you can see our Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 is successfully downloaded. So this is the application. So you can see Adobe Premiere Pro. This is the best editing software in the world. So I'm closing this. I'm closing this. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then if you like this video, then give a like, leave a like, and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. तो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, नमस्ते, टाटा, गुड बाय।